Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are still talking about missing add-ins. So we are going to go over these few pages together, and then you have a practice page to do. Wow, I have a lot of markers out on my table, and none of them are the one that I want. We're looking at this number bond, and it says write a subtraction equation and then write an addition equation. So this is the same thing that we did last week that we practiced. Remember that there are 4 equations that go along with our number bonds. And the subtraction equation always starts with the whole and then goes to the part. Okay, so there's 2 subtraction equations that you can choose. I want you to go ahead, try to think of one, and remember that it only uses these 3 numbers. All right, so the 2 equations that you could have written down here is 8 minus 6 equals 2, or 8 minus 2 equals 6. Those are the 2 subtraction equations for this number bond. For the addition equation, there's also 2. And remember that it starts with a part and ends with a whole. Go ahead and see if you can think of an addition equation that would go along with this number bond. All right. So again, there are 2 that you could choose from. You could say 6 plus 2 equals 8, or 2 plus 6 equals 8. All right. There are 8 cats. 5 are black, the rest are gray. How many are gray? Show how you solve. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. I like doing the number bond just so that way I can see my numbers and know what I need to figure out. So I'm going to draw a number bond. All right, it tells me there are 8 cats. That's my total. There are 8 cats. So I'm going to write 8 up in the whole box. 5 are black. So that must be a part. Okay. So now I can do my 2 subtraction equations and my 2 addition equations. So I have 8 minus 5 equals something. And 8 minus something equals 5. 5 plus something equals 8. And something plus 5 equals 8. For me personally, you choose whatever one works best for you. For me personally, I like this one. I use my counting on strategy using my fingers, and I'm going to start with 5, and I'm going to count to 8. 5 is in my head. 6, 7, 8. Oh, I got to 8, so I'm going to stop. How many fingers am I holding up? I'm holding up 3 fingers. So 3 must be my other part. But let me just double check by drawing a picture. If I start with 5, and I add 3 more, let me make sure that I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8. Okay. Oh, and to answer the question, 3 are gray. Remember, we're practicing answering incomplete sentences. Then go ahead and draw a circle or a square around your answer just so that way it helps me find it on your page a little bit better. All right. There are 5 beads in all. 4 are on the table. The rest are in a cup. Buzz says there are 9 beads in the cup. Do you agree? Why or why not? Okay, so there are 5 beads in all. 4 are on the table. The rest are in a cup. Buzz says there are 9 beads in the cup. Do you agree or disagree? Do you think that 9 beads are in the cup? Let's draw a number bond. There's 5 beads in all. That's our whole. 4 are on the table. Can 9 be this missing number? Why or why not? Go ahead, pause the video for just a second. Think about it. Figure it out. Alright, what do you think? There cannot be 9 beads in the cup because 9 is greater than our total, right? We don't have 9 beads. So there can't be 9 beads in the cup. Alright, let's turn the page. Think about missing add-ins. Color some triangles red and some blue. Complete the number bond. Write a subtraction equation and an addition equation. So they filled in this 6 right here because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 triangles. And when it says color in some of the triangles, you get to pick your number. Some people don't like these ones because it's hard for them. Like, I don't know. Picking our number is hard. Sometimes I have hard times picking numbers too. Color some blue. You can do 2 like me, or you can do more or less. Color the rest red. Okay. Fill in our parts. We have 2 blue and 4 red. Oops. 4 red. Okay? So, a subtraction equation has to start with 6, can be 6 minus 4 or 6 minus 2. In your case, it has to start with 6, but it could be either of the numbers that you chose. For my case, I'll do 6 minus 4. For adding, you're going to use your 2 numbers, okay? But remember, it can go from left to right or right to left. I'll do 4 plus 2, and yours has to equal 6 because there's 6 triangles. All right, I want you to go ahead, try this last one. Try B. Same thing. Color some red, some blue. Complete the number bonds. Complete the equation. And then you're done. Okay. This is just the last problem that you're doing today. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope that you guys have a great day.